Hello, I'm Marcus Boston. Quick educational video today, and we're going to discuss an important topic which deals with how do birth trauma attorneys like myself begin to work to figure out what type of help that a child is going to need going into the future when they have suffered a brain injury at birth. Want to know what I'm getting at here? Stay with me as I share with you this very important information. All right, so how I want to set this up is when a lot of families contact us, their child has generally suffered an injury at birth, and that's usually a brain injury or some other type of traumatic injury at birth. And what happens is a lot of times parents are concerned about the challenges that their child is going to face moving into the future. They may have talked to doctors and other medical professionals, and they see what's going on, and they're beginning to think, okay, as my child gets older, how do we work to be able to help them meet these challenges? And one tool that we've used, I've talked about it in past videos, but this is something that comes up a lot for families. One tool that we use is called a life care plan. We use a life care plan in these types of cases to help us be able to get a gauge at some of the things that a child may need as they grow older. And so for these life care plans, we use what we call certified life care planners, and these are individuals who are certified, and there are professionals who understand not only disability, but they understand other types of things that is going to impact your child. And so the life care planner, what we like to do is we like to have them to come out and to talk with you. We like them to come out and spend time with you and see you with your child, and they can interview you and be able to get a picture of the needs that your child is going to need and your family is going to need as your situation progresses. So a certified life care planner and life care plans are very important tools that are used for the fourth element, which is called damages in a negligence analysis. That life care plan is going to be really important to help families be able to meet these challenges and meet these needs going into the future. The life care planner is going to spend some time with you. Like I said earlier, they're going to talk with you, and they're going to get a good idea as to what's needed. Maybe your car, maybe the car needs to be retrofitted. Maybe your child is going to need a wheelchair. Maybe braces are going to be needed. Maybe your home, maybe that home that you have you can't use it anymore. There are just issues that are present that are going to mean that you're going to have to use a better home, or a home that's going to have better access for your child and their needs. So all of these things and more are going to be placed in a life care plan. And this is one tool that birth trauma attorneys like myself that we can use to help families meet these challenges moving into the future. Because in my experience, that has been one of the main reasons as to why families do reach out to birth trauma attorneys, and that is because of being concerned about meeting future challenges. If you have more questions about this topic, maybe you're watching this video today because your child has suffered an injury at birth and you have questions. There's a telephone number down below. Go ahead and pick up the phone and call me. I talk with families all the time about these things. HIE, cerebral palsy, shoulder dystocia issues, meconium aspiration syndrome. That is what we do. One more thing before I go. I practice law here in the state of Maryland, and I want to make sure that you understand, because this video is on the internet, if you contact me and you are not in the state of Maryland, that I have to use what we call co-counsel or an attorney in your state, which we will work to help provide for you to help with the case if this is something that we think that we can assist you with. All right, that's going to be it for today's quick educational video. Again, I'm Marcus Boston, and I'm one of the childbirth injury and medical malpractice attorneys practicing law here in the state of Maryland at Boston Law Group, LLC. We will see you next time. Take care and enjoy the rest of your day.